Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you follow my Instagram, you might already know that when I came to London half a year, I never had a chance to go out. So I figured maybe I should fake my trip this time and to see if people can find out if it's fake or not. So yeah, let's start this journey. I found out some pics I found some pics online of Paris, Eiffel Tower. So I used Photoshop to to edit myself into the picture, and this is the first pic I posted like yesterday. Yeah, I think you guys all know this famous museum. I put myself in front of this building. I posted on Instagram and I got 4,000 likes, and let's see. Yeah, I got 4,000 likes, and almost nobody find out that this is a fake picture. And if you guys are interested, please follow my Instagram and see if it's like real. Do you think it's fake or not? This one, yeah. Let me just see how much comment I got. Oh shit, sorry. You see this comment? Most people are saying, oh, congratulations, like something like that. They think, oh my god, that's so pretty, beautiful, Paris, amazing. I got like 20,000 reach of this picture, 1 share and 15 saves. I think it's quite nice. Although I feel sorry to like lie to you guys, because I just want to run this test to see if people are really thinking that you are going to Paris, or because a lot of people are faking on social media. They fake their identity, they pretend to be rich, they pretend to be poor, even pretend to be a female sometimes. So I just want you guys to know that you have to be careful when you are doing things on social media and you reach to some people. You have to be careful if they are fake or not. It's actually a really tricky idea. And I posted on the "See You in Paris" story, yes, before the trip actually started, and I posted this picture. Oh, sorry. And I posted this picture in my story as well, just to make my followers believe that I am actually in Paris. And I think I need to post more, like having dinner, having lunch in Paris, and walking on streets, like taking some videos. Yeah, I'm gonna do that as well. And now I'm going to post the second picture. Is this one in front of Eiffel Tower. This is famous location for taking photos, and I found the photo online. And the original photo actually, there's a lady in front of the tower, so I make her go and put myself in it, and add some birds in here. And let's see if people can find out. If it's a fake one or not. I personally think it's a really good photo. So yeah, let's see. And today I'm going out. To take more photos that I can use to make it look like Paris. So yeah, if you guys are interested, please follow my Instagram, and you guys can decide whether it's fake or not. Yeah. So just out of curiosity, the original photo looks like that. Yeah, I put myself in, and I changed the color of my jacket because I posted this green jacket so many times. I want to make it different, so I changed it to red. Yeah. So I'm back from Paris. I'm going to share you some results of my Instagram. If you are not following my Instagram yet, please follow me there. So I posted this picture. Yes, I posted this picture, and it got like almost 1,800 likes. I got so many impressions and discovery. And I wrote, Eiffel Tower is so amazing, should I go up? And people actually replied, yeah, you should go up. And I posted this picture on my Weibo. A friend of mine told me that if you want to go up, you have to make the appointment like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. So never mind. Anyway, I'm not in Paris, right? So this picture, I posted another picture in front of this famous museum. Actually, this picture is real, but people like 1 or 2 people like assume that it's fake, because this picture is actually taken by my friend. My friend and her husband went to Paris for their honeymoon, and they took a picture. And actually, it's not my body. It's the body of my friend's husband. That's why the style is actually not my style. If you follow my Instagram for a long time, you know my style is more street style, more fashionable. But this one is actually casual. So my friend sent this picture to me, and I asked my other friend who is good at Photoshop, and so he helped me put my face on this body. And yeah, I have to show you the original photo. The original photo is like this. Actually, it's not much difference believe it or not, this is an original photo. It's a real photo. I mean, there are not many people on the square. It's not weird because I don't know how she took the angle. But that's the real photo. I just replaced his head with mine. I want people to have a clue that this is photoshopped. So I add fake bag on my shoulder to make it look like photoshopped. But actually, apart from the bag and my head, everything is real. But there's a follower that's been commenting, and he said, oh my god, you're a fashion blogger, why are you photoshopping pictures? I mean, everyone photoshop, right? When you take a picture, you edit your face, you use filters, you use all those different elements, you make it more bright, you make it more dark. Everything is photoshopped because this is purely a project because I just want to see if people can find out that if somebody is faking their trip or if somebody faking their photos. But and also I always want to visit Paris, but I just don't have enough time to go there. So it's actually a dream come true to me. If you guys don't understand, yeah. See, I posted a story and I told my followers that the bag is photoshopped. And also some people are really supportive. Even if they find out that my photos are photoshopped, they still support me. I'm really thankful to you guys. Thanks for your support. And also, if you want me to help you Photoshop some pictures, like fake your trip, you can also message me on my Instagram, and I'd love to help you guys. But just make sure to send me the good quality photos, because the reason I'm able to make them look so real is because the original photo is actually good. Because even though without the background, the front picture is I mean it's good, right? And this picture of me, I took it like several months ago, and I just realized I had never posted this picture before, so I put myself in front of the museum to make it look like more, like Paris. But I think this picture is not that photoshopped. It's not that well photoshopped. So actually, if you are a professional, you can find out this is like a little bit photoshopped. And a friend of mine, he is a professional. So when I posted this picture and he realized, oh, this must be photoshopped, and yeah, he found out and he didn't tell me. He just told me when I posted this picture, and I told him that you should help me next time. So overall, this experience is really inspiring, because when people want to fake their trip, when people want to fake being rich, fake being female, fake being a male, it's really fun. Social media is actually a tricky thing. You never know what's real and what's fake. So that's I also think that's a good part, because when you see some people post nice pictures, it makes you feel good, right? It makes you feel good, so it does have some benefit. And when I see those bloggers that they post so fake pictures, I know they're photoshopped, but I just really enjoying seeing those photos. I mean, they make me feel happy. Let me give you some examples. Now let me find some examples, such as this picture. I mean this picture looks dreamy, looks magical. The stars are obviously photoshopped, and the lighting. I mean, you can say that this is a fake picture. You cannot say this is a fake picture because she actually took the picture and she just make it like look more, refreshing, look more appealing. But that doesn't mean that it's a fake picture, right? I was really worried when I posted this picture, because it's not my style. I was worried people might find out like immediately when I posted this picture. So when I wrote the caption, I said old school style today. So I made it look like I did it on purpose. I know it's not my style. It might be my style when I was in high school, but not anymore. I don't wear like that anymore. So another example is that, let me find out. Yeah, this picture. If you see this picture here, the red puffy jacket. Actually, the original color is green. Yeah, it's this green color. It's this green. Yeah, it's this green puffy jacket. But I made it look red, so it looks more refreshing. Looks more exciting. This is the original picture. I took it in London. You see the color is green. So yeah, so I did use some photoshops on my pictures sometimes, just to make them look different, look more exciting, because I don't have so many clothing. Actually my room is really small. My closet is not that big enough, so I cannot buy new clothing every time. So sometimes you just need to use some tricks to make it to make your style look more interesting. yeah, so if you have any questions, you can drop me a message on Instagram. You can please follow my Instagram, and you might want to know whether my next picture is photoshopped or not. Well, obviously this one is not photoshopped. This one is real. Yeah, I took it at home. It's a selfie. Yeah, and for the next video, I'm thinking to record something. You know, maybe another fake trip. No, I don't think so. Really sorry I lied to you guys about the pictures about my trip, because I think I will go to Paris soon. When I go to Paris next time, I will be sure to post the real pictures. I promise you guys. And please support me, and I love you guys. Actually, when I post the picture, I use the location. I put the location to Paris, and a stylist in Paris saw my picture, and he asked me if I want to go to Paris. If I want to go to Paris Fashion Week with him, so I told him that I'm already in London, so I cannot make it. But I'm really sorry. I'm really grateful that you invited me, and I will be sure to join you next time when I'm in Paris, and I would definitely buy you a lunch or buy you a dinner to say sorry, you know. So yeah, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please feel free to share it with people who you think that they might fake their trip or they might fake something. If you want to fake your trip, I would love to help you, and just follow my Instagram. Thank you. Bye bye.